Students, as I have already explained you the block level block samitis composition, I have already explained. In this video you will see the functions of the block samiti. Agriculture expert advises for better seeds, pesticides and new methods of agriculture to the people. Means agricultural expert of block samiti, they give advice to the farmers for the better seeds, pesticides and new methods of agriculture. Animal experts tell them about the better breeds of cattle and upkeep, means how to keep them in a good manner, all the cattle. Next is education expert organize literacy programs, and guidelines on the healthcare and family welfare is also provided with the in the block samiti. Now we will come to the next topic, that is the district level. Zilla Parishad is the highest body of Panchayati Raj system. District collector, the superintendent of the police and the district judge functions from district headquarters. Zilla Parishad is responsible for the development of the rural areas of the whole district. As you know, in Bareilly also we are having a Zilla Parishad and it controls the matters of the all related villages of Bareilly. Same thing with other cities also. Head of the Zilla Parishad or the district superintendent, district collector is used to keeping eye or keeping watch on all the related villages of a particular town. Now you will see the composition of the Zilla Parishad. It comprises block pramukh of block samiti, means Zilla Parishad, member of Zilla Parishad comprises the member of all block pramukh, the head of the all block samitis that are known as block pramukh, and these are the members of the Zilla Parishad. Members of state legislative and member of parliament. State legislative means all Vidhan Sabha and all members of parliament like the member of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. In Zilla Parishad, seats are reserved for women and SCs and STs. SCs, as I have already explained, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. President and vice president is elected among members themselves. Means the president and vice president of Zilla Parishad is elected among members themselves. They are used to of electing their president and vice president from among their own selves. Now we will see the functions of the Zilla Parishad. It informed state government of the work being done by the Gram Panchayat and Block Samiti. Whatever work has been done by the Block Samiti and the Gram Panchayat, that will be informed by the Zilla Parishad to the state government. Another one is maintains law and order, land record and collect revenue. These all are the works of a Zilla Parishad. You know the meaning of revenue. Revenue means taxes. It advises the state government on all issues related to development. Head of Zilla Parishad advises the state government on all issues related to development, means whatever development has been done in the city or a particular village, that will be informed by the district collector to the state government. It monitors the various development works. Whatever the development work has been done in a particular village or city, that will be informed by the district collector to the state government. Now, the last topic of your chapter is state government and Panchayati Raj system. The state government formulate following rules and regulation for the functioning of Panchayati Raj system. First is the state government works towards the success of the Panchayati Raj system. It keeps a strict watch on Panchayati Raj system. Who keeps watch, strict watch? State government. And state government provide grants to the Panchayati Raj system. The state government have the power to dissolve a panchayat if it is not functioning properly. Means state government has got the authority to dissolve the panchayat if it is not functioning properly. So this was your chapter, students. I would like to conclude over here only. As soon as you will receive your video, I will upload all the summary of the chapter and the question and answer and exercises also. So the homework is there. You have to read the chapter minutely, each and every word. And after that, what you will do, you will write this summary in your notebook. Then you will write your question and answers, and exercises will be done in the book itself. Thank you for today's class. Have a nice time, students.